Sounds like it is.
Oh
I keep
yeah, I
saying
mean,
two questions, and I want to honor your time, but
that's,
you keep saying some things that keep there's some more questions that keep popping up. But not every investment is going to have be that's a home run. Um, so I'm pretty sure you've encountered some challenges. What are some of the challenges that you are seeing right now within the industrial space, or even within short-term storage that you're seeing? What are some of the challenges that you're facing?
so one of the biggest challenges we're facing portfolio wide is insurance. So especially in our coastal properties, I'm on the coast of Alabama. I'm on the Gulf Coast of Alabama, and we have several properties here in Florida and Alabama along the coast. And insurance has, in some cases, quadrupled in the last 3 years. And so, with self storage, that's particularly painful because those are gross leases. And so that's just strictly coming out of our net operating income. Uh, with the flex properties, while they are net leases or some version of net lease, they have that puts a kind of a cap on what the tenants can pay for their base rent, because they're looking at their total rent payment, and that includes reimbursements and CAM and their base rent. And so that becomes a challenge when we're having to hit them with increases in their CAM. It's tough. So property insurance, property taxes, it's not uncommon for in these growing markets. Values are increasing, so therefore property taxes are increasing. And I think a lot of I know a lot of the insurance rate is, it's not only the rate, it's the total insured value that the
Mhm.
insurance companies are willing to insure the properties for, because of inflation, and the actual replacement
Replacement value.
value
That's exactly what I was
has
going to ask.
gone up
Yeah.
tremendously. So now we're, in most cases, I mean, we're buying, part of our thesis is we buy below replacement value. So, and now if the insurance company is saying, oh, well, you got to insure it to replacement value, and you got to be careful because there's usually co-insurance clauses in there. And if